Matthew from Brighter Electrical. We are installing a Rolec electrical vehicle charging point here today. And we also then have to test it. So once we've installed it, we then have to test the socket as well. So the way we do that is we use a charge check from Rolec. They supply this, and then we can actually use that to test the unit. We check to see the unit is live. We do that by the blue flashing light. We plug in the charger, the checker. Once the checker is plugged in, the blue light will stay solid. We then press the test button on the checker, and the green light will show that it's on, and it'll go through a series of tests, and the 3 LEDs will come up to say that it's passed, which proves that the polarity is correct. We also then do a loop impedance test on it and an RCD test. And that's simply just turning the multi-tester that we plug into a socket on there. We can just then press the button. It goes through a series of RCD tests, and we can test that. That's it from Matthew, Brighter Electrical today.